view. So right now, today I'm with my brother. He's having he's having a very great time. Hope you're also doing great. So today in this video, I want to just make you look these kind of eye-popping and eye-catching, eye-opening natural settings. So you can see my brother. He's looking very handsome, very tall, strong, strapping young lad. Like he has got a big muscle. He's very tall, as well as he is as solid as the hero of Hollywood epics. He is very aristocratic as well as amicable. And one of the most striking feature of his character is that he loves to help the poor people very much, and he has been a great fan of Sir's English, as well as he is a great learner of English. He is a quick learner. He has a great enthusiasm to learn English. He has a good mental setup, and he has a strong confidence level. He doesn't bother over the issue what people are gonna say about him, and he will be learning English. Inshallah, he will be learning English quickly. Hope I will be speaking some. I will also be a good speaker of English someday soon. So hope to see you. Inshallah, we'll be having some great moment going with us in a quick time. Inshallah, hope to see you soon. Have a great day.